Good afternoon. Afternoon, iPhone. Afternoon, Alka. Kendall. Afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Afternoon, Java, Brian. Pramod, National,
My baby.
Miran. Oh, is that your baby brothers?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Name June. June.
June. Nice to meet you. Hey, afternoon, Kunsu. Afternoon, Miran. Afternoon, guys. Page 130. 130. Afternoon, guys.
Teacher, 131 book. Dude.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. Afternoon. All right.
One book, one teacher.
It's time for math. Yes. Yes.
My baby is walking around the house.
I can see that he's walking around the house. Okay. It's time for math. It's time for math. Page 130. Page 130. Page 130. All right. Okay.
My baby just keeping through above his
Really? Wow.
Daddy.
Page 130 in your class book. Yes. It's page 130 in your
What page?
130.
Book. I'm not
Page 130. Page
Yeah,
130.
what? 100 feet.
Page 130.
130 อ่ะ130 textbook อ่ะ
All right. Let's let's be ready. Let's be ready. Let's be ready.
ไม่ต้องบอกก็ได้ออก้าเรารู้ภาษาอังกฤษเลขอยู่แล้ว
Okay, let's get ready now.
เพื่อนบางคนยัง
We're
ไม่รู้
about to start. Okay. Last time we talked about addition. Last time we talked about addition, and we didn't finish. We stopped on the slides, and we didn't do this exercise. We didn't do this exercise in our workbook. This one. And this one. Did you guys went home and do it? Did you do it on page 89 in your workbook? Did you do it? No. Did you guys manage to do the addition on page 89? Page, yes.
There, teacher, and my bedroom bed.
All right. If you guys didn't do it, let's do it together. Let's start here. Let's start with exercise A on page 89 workbook. And then we can go to our class book later. Let's start with our workbook, page 89. Let's start with our workbook, page 89. Because last week, we didn't finish. All right. Page 89. This one on the screen, 89. Workbook. Page 89. Workbook. A. Kunsu, are you there? Kunsu? All right. Okay. Everybody, are we there? Pramod, are you there? Page 89. Okay. All right. So let's begin. Let's begin. Number one. Number one. All right, we have an example. We have an example which is not number one. It says 46 plus 11. 46 plus 11. Last week we said we first add the ones and then we add the tens, right? So in this example, what we will just do, we will add 6 plus 1 and then we get 7. And then we say 4 plus 1, we get 5. And the answer becomes 57. The answer becomes 57. That's what we do. That's what we said last week. All right. Let's now move on to number one. Number one says 53 plus 15. Okay. So what we do, we first add the ones and then the tens. What could be the answer in the ones? 3 plus 5. What do we get? If we say 3 plus 5, what do we get?
8.
We get 8. Thank you, Java. We get 8 if we add 5.
I do that. This
exercise. All right. If you did it, so let's just quickly.
is 68, right? 68.
68. Yes. Yes, sweetheart. 68.
I finished.
All right. How many finished this page? iPhone, did you finish this page? No. All right. So, okay, guys, some have finished. Yes, sweetheart. Yes.
I finished this page. I finished.
All right. All right. So, Kunsu have finished. Java have finished.
I not
but
finished.
some.
I
All
not
right.
finished, teacher.
Okay, Auka did not finish. So some have finished, some did not finish. So we are going to do it together, right? Because we are friends, we love one another. We love one another. So we are going to do it together, right? We will help each other. All right, good. All right. So those who haven't finished, please write the answer for number one, which is 68. 6 and 8. All right, but let's try to be fast. Those who are writing, let's try to be fast. Auka and the friends, let's try and be fast. All right, number two, it says 37 plus 12. 37 plus 12. What could be the answer for 37 plus 12? What do we do? Anybody? Anybody?
9. 49.
Yes, 49. We get 49. How do we do it? We say 7 plus 2, we get 9. And then 3 plus 1, we get 4. Thank you so much. So the answer for number 2 will be 49. 49. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Pramod, do you want to try number 3 for us? Number 3 says 45 plus 42. What will be the answer? 49. The answer will be? All right, I want Pramod to try. Pramod, are you there? 45 plus 42. The answer will be?
49.
Natchanon, may you please wait a little bit so that we give a little time to Pramod to tell us the answer. And Bright, can you please prepare for number 4? Bright, prepare for number 4. Yes, look at number 4. Yes.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Number 4. 55.
Pramod is number 3. 45 plus 42. What do we do? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The answer here will be 87. 87. Thank you, Pramod. The answer will be 87. We say 5 plus 2, we get 7. And then 4 plus 4, we get 8. Thank you. Bright, number 4. 23 plus 42. Number 4.
65.
Is that Bright? No, that was not Bright. Okay. All right. The answer is 65, which is true. Which is true. It's 65 because we say 3 plus 2, we get 5. And then 2 plus 4, we get 6. Very good. Thank you, everybody. Number 5, iPhone, number 5. 39 plus 40. What the answer? What is the answer?
79.
Thank you so much. The answer for 39 plus 40 is 79. We say 9 plus 0, we get 9, and 3 plus 4, we get 7. And the answer becomes 79. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Let's move on to number 6. Bright, number 6.
Where is my bedroom? Is here.
We will do it tomorrow, Auka. We will do my bedroom tomorrow. Thank you for doing the work. Thank you for doing the work. All right. Number 6. Number 6. Bright. Number 6. 80 plus 11. How much do we get? Bright.
81.
Thank you so much. We get 91. We get 91. Nachanon, we get 91. We say 0 plus 1, we get 1. 8 plus 1, we get 9. So the answer becomes 91. Thank you so much, Bright. Number 7, Miran, number 7. 32 plus 34.
66. 66.
Thank you so much. The answer is 66. If we say 2 plus 4, we get 6. And 3 plus 3, we get 6. So the answer becomes 69. Thank you. And the answer for number 8, Nachanon, yeah, it's okay. 5 plus 4, yes, that is correct. 99. If we say 5 plus 4, we get 9. If we say 4 plus 5, we still get 9. So the answer becomes 99. Guys, these are the answers for number 1 up to 8. May you please quickly write them, and then we move on to number 9 and 16. Any questions? Do you have any questions? Any questions? No questions at all? All right.
49.
All right. If we don't have any questions, let's wait a little bit. Nachanon, wait a little bit for others to write. Others did not write. All right, guys, let's quickly write. Let's quickly write. Okay. Number 9. Tanyong, number 9. 38 plus 21. 38 plus 21. How much do we get? If we add 38 plus 21, we get
59.
Thank you so much. We get 59. We get 59 because 8 plus 1 is 9 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we get 59. Thank you. Number 10. You guys, you're doing a wonderful job. Teacher Tate is very happy. Thank you so much, everybody. Number 10, if we say 55 plus 22, how much do we get? Aungapao number 10. 55 plus 22. How many do we get?
77.
Thank you so much. We get 77. How? Because 5 plus 2 is 7, and 5 plus 2 is 7. 77. Thank you. Thank you. Number 11. Number 11. 40 plus 25. How many do we get if we add 40? Pramod? Yes, Pramod. Number 11. Yes, Pramod. Thank you. We get 65. Thank you so much. We get 65 because 0 plus 5 is 5 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Thank you. Thank you. Nat Shannon, number 12. Number 12. 26 plus 32. We get
number
28.
number 12. Number 12. We are on number 12, Auka. We are on number 12.
12 is
I mean like the question is for Nat Shannon, but I thought you were asking where we are. Nat Shannon, what is the answer?
28.
The answer is?
28.
All right, the answer is 58. 58. Yeah, 58. We say 6 plus 2, we get 8. And then 2 plus 3, we get 5. Thank you. Outcome number 13. Outcome number 13. 51 plus 13, what do we get?
Is 60.
We get
64.
Thank you.
64.
Thank you, Auka. Yes, that is true. We get 64. If we say 1 plus 3, we get 4, and 5 plus 1, we get 6. Thank you. Thank you. All right. The next person, let me see who is there. We are now on Kunsu. Kunsu, number 14. Number 14, Kunsu. 34 plus 53. 34 plus 53. Kunsu.
87.
Kunsu. 34 plus 53, number 14. Kunsu. Yes, number 14.
87.
Thank you so much, Kunsu. That is the correct answer. We get 87 because 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 5 is 8. Thank you. Thank you. All right. The next person is Kendall. Kendall, number 15. Number 15. Kendall, number 15.
54.
Thank you. Thank you. You said what? 35? Can you please come again, Kendall? Kendall, can you please come again?
55.
All right. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. The correct answer is 55. Thank you, Kendall. Thank you. If we say 4 plus 1, we get 5. If we say 2 plus 3, we get 5. So the answer is 55. Thank you. Thank you. Number 16. Number 16. Tin, are you there? Tin.
89.
Tin, are you there? Is Tin there?
89.
All right. I wanted Tin to tell me the answer. Tin, be ready. Be ready to give us the answer for number 18. Tin, be ready to give us the answer for number 18. All right. Number 16, Java, are you there? Java, 71 plus 18. What do we get?
Easy.
89.
89.
All right. Thank you so much, because if we say 1 plus 8, we get 9. If we say 7 plus 1, we get 8. Thank you. All right, number 17, iPhone, if we say 75 plus 11, what do we get? 75 plus 11.
86.
Thank you. We get 86 because 5 plus 1 is 6 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Thank you. The last one, Tin, are you ready now? Tin, are you ready? All right. If Tin is not ready, Bright, can you please assist Tin? Bright, are you there? Bright, number 18. 66.
99.
Thank you, Bright. Thank you so much. You guys, you are amazing. Teacher Tate is very, very happy. Thank you so much. Have you finished? Have you finished? Sorry. Have you finished? Anybody still writing? Okay, all right. So let's move on. It's okay, let's move on. It's okay, let's move on. All right. Let's go to today's work. Solving addition word problem. We are on page 130 in your class book. Open page 130 in your class book for math. This one. This book. Open page. This one. Open page 130. Okay. Page 130. Class book.
The number.
B, solving addition word problems. Okay. Are we there? Are we all there? Not yet. Okay, let's quickly check. 130. All right. On page 130, we can see that there are stories there. And these stories, they need us to add or put together or sum the numbers that are required for us.
My bedroom has or not has.
So you post your bedrooms, and also tomorrow in the lesson, make sure you carry your bedrooms, right? All right. Okay. How do you solve word problems involving additions within 100? It's very, very easy. It's the same thing that we have been doing, guys. Like what we're doing in the exercise just right now is what we are going to do in the word problems. But the difference is in the word problems, we are going to be reading a story, and then we can pick the numbers on our own, and then we add. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. All right. This one says, let's revise what we have learned about addition. But for today, for us, we have already revised. We did a lot of revision, so we are going to move on. Okay. Solving addition word problems. Steps on how to solve. So number one, I urge you, all of you guys,
please, teacher.
We are on page 130, class book 130.
Hey.
Okay. All right. So the first step that we're going to do The first step that we're going to do, please read the problem. First read and then understand. What are they saying? What does the story tell, right? After you do that, you write the numbers in the order that I've told you, the tens and the ones, the tens and the ones, right? After you do that, you simply add. You start with your ones and then the tens. Very, very easy. And if you do that correctly, you will see that all your answers will be correct. Okay. Let's move on and then see these word problems. Okay. Right. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. Here we are. We have this story that I'm going to read, and I want you to tell me the numbers and how we are going to add. Okay, so let's listen. One day, Nepal reads 14 pages of a book. The next day, he reads another 35 pages of the book. How many pages of the book does Nepal read in total? One day, Nepal reads 14 pages of a book. The next day, he reads another 35 pages of the book. So how many pages of the book does Nepal read in total? What do we do? What do we do? Anybody with an idea? Anyone? What do we do? How do we solve this problem? We solve this problem by adding the first pages of the book that Nepal read, which is 14, 1 and 4, right? And then we write it down. In the tens, we write 1. In the ones, we write 4. And we say plus. The next day, Nepal read 35 pages. We say plus 35. In the tens, we write 3, and the ones, we write 5. So we will finally have 14 plus 35. And then we add the ones where we have 4 and 5, and we get 9. And then we say 1 plus 3 in the tens, we get 4. And our answer will be 49. So that is how we will do it. That is how we did. Let's see the example. Let's see the example here. The example says, the working says 14 plus 35. One day he reads 14. The next day he reads 35. In total, Nepal read 49 pages. So this is how we do it, guys. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. So next example, we want to quickly move on, and then you guys, you are going to tell me how we are going to solve it. You're going to tell me how we are going to solve the problem. All right, let's look at the next. Yes, yes.
This book writing or not writing? This book.
In this book, we are going to write on page 131. Okay. 131, but for now, listen. Kunsu, for now, just listen to teacher Tate.
100 what? Teacher, what?
We are on page 131. Page 131. All right? Okay.
I finished number 131, teacher.
All right, if you're finished, so listen. Just listen to teacher Tate, okay? If you're finished, just look in the slide, look at the screen, and just listen.
Teacher,
all right.
Teacher Tate.
What?
This book 1 page or 2 page is writing.
Oh, this book is, we are just going to do page 130 and 131. 2 pages only. Okay, let's continue. Kunsu, we are going to do
One page, teacher. This 1 page.
This one is on the slide. This one is on the slide. Just look on the slide and then we go to the book later, okay? All right. Yes, thank you. All right, so this one says, Anna bakes 32 cupcakes. Her sister helps her bake 15 more cupcakes. How many cupcakes are they all together? So what you're going to do is very simple. We will just say 32 plus 15, and then we get 47. So you just look at how many did Anna bake. She baked 32. The sister baked 15, and then we put them together. We put them together. That is addition or sum, right? And then we get 47. We get 47. All right. Any questions so far? Any questions so far before we start to do the exercise in the class book? No questions. All right. Let's move on. All right, guys, I have a question for you on the screen. I have a question for you on the screen. I need the answer and how we are going to work it out. It says, Nicole sells ice cream. There are 13 customers queuing up to buy her ice creams. 11 more customers come to queue for her ice creams. How many customers are there in total? So I need someone to tell me, how do we go about it? How are we going to work this one? How are we going to solve this word problem? What do we do? What do we do? Let's help Nicole. Let's help Nicole. How many customers does Nicole have? How many customers does Nicole have?
24.
Who said 24?
Me.
iPhone. All right. Thank you, iPhone. Thank you. How did you do it? How did you get 24? May you please tell us? How did you get 24?
11 plus 13 equals 24 because 11 plus 11 equals.
Thank you.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Yes.
And 3 plus 1 equals 4.
Thank you. 24. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, iPhone, for explaining. Thank you. That is very correct. We first write our 13 and then our 11. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 24. So Nicole now has 24 customers all together, right? Thank you. Thank you. That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Here we are reviewing, and then let's practice now on page 131. Let's go to page 131, and then we practice. Thank you so much, everybody. You are doing a wonderful job. You are all doing a wonderful job. Page 131. Let me open mine. I hope it's going to be fast today. I hope it's going to be very fast so that we can move together. It's a little bit slow, but it's coming up. It's coming up.
It's
coming up, but it's slow. Yeah. All right. Here we are. Here we are. I'm there now. I'm there. I'm there. All right. Okay. Page 131. Page 131. Page 131. Okay. All right. There we go. There we go. Number one. Number one says there are 46 red chairs on the right side of the hall, and there are 22 blue chairs on the left side of the hall. How many chairs are there all together?
This I finished with Teacher Brandon.
Oh, all right. It's okay. It is now time for review, guys. It's time for review.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, it's review for your exam.
I love review.
Yes. So that is good. Okay. And how do we work this one out? We just say 46 plus 22. Okay. And how do we write it? We write it by saying 4 in the tens and 6 in the ones, plus 2 in the tens and another 2 in the ones for the blue chairs. And then we find the total that we have for all the chairs in the hall. So we have 46 red chairs and 22 blue chairs. How many chairs do we have in the hall? How many chairs do we have in the hall? Anybody to try? Anybody? How many chairs do we have in the hall?
1 pair.
Thank you, Miran. Miran, did you tell me the answer? Maybe I had differently. This is page 131. This is page 131. This is page 131. Miran, did you just tell us the answer or you are asking something else? Miran? All right, let's continue. Let's
68. 68.
All right, yes, you're telling us the answer. The correct answer, it is 68. Thank you, Miran. So the number of the total chairs in the hall are 68. They are 68 chairs in total. So for the answer, please write 68 in the box. Please write 68. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. If we are done, we can go to number 2. Number 2 says, Joe has 12 guppies in the aquarium, right? The father gives him 23 guppies. How many guppies does Joe have now? Okay. What do we do? I want somebody to tell me what do we do first and then how do we work it out? How do we work it out? What do we do? Joe has 12 guppies in the aquarium. Father gives him 23 guppies. How many guppies does Joe have?
23.
What? Tamyong, you said?
7 plus 23.
I can't hear you properly. Can you please come again? What do we do?
73.
All right. I don't know why I can't hear you. Or I don't know why I can't hear you. But okay, can you tell us what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What is the first stage? What is the first stage? What do we add? What do we add? What do we add, guys? We just say 12 plus 23, right? 12 plus 23, how many do we get?
12.
12 plus 23.
12.
We get?
12.
We get 12. By saying 12 plus 23, if we say 12 plus 23, and then we say 2 plus 3, we get how many?
5. How many?
Yes, we get 5. Thank you, Pramod. Thank you, Pramod. The correct answer is 35. 35. So now Joe has 35 guppies.